right, yes, welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. So, if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to give me your time and please make sure that you click on that red button, ring the bell so that you be the first person always to watch my videos. Yes, I always upload videos every week, and this is a channel where you're going to find different types of hairstyle because I don't specialize in one hairstyle. So let's try to see about this hairstyle, but before it is going to be a crochet, and I've managed to put everything inside this video to include all the details and everything. But first and foremost, I just want you to look at this very careful, because I really love you to learn how to do these inward cornrows, because they're very nice when it comes to crochet. Yes, when it comes to these inward cornrows, they make the crochet to last longer. Trust me, if you learn how to do this, yes, you will leave other method of doing these cornrows. So this is very nice, and all in all, you just have to be as gentle as possible so that you don't cause tension. And why we always do that is because sometimes whenever we're doing like these cornrows, knowing that we're going to add in the crochet, we don't over tighten the corner. We just have to leave that space, like where the crochet extension is going to pass. So I would like you to learn how to do this kind of a crochet. So the crochet that we're going to do is coming from the company called Darling Uganda. And before we go further with that, I would like you to note this, that whenever you're doing a crochet, one thing you need to know is the size of the crochet matters a lot to the size of the cornrow. So if you're doing the big crochet, then try to also to make the cornrows be big. And if the cornrows are small, then means that those you're going to add on the small crochet extensions. But it is very wrong, like when you find someone adding a bigger crochet extension on a small cornrow. I know most of you guys do that. Others, like when they fail to do that, they even use threads to just sew those crochet on top, which is wrong. Now take it from me, you have to make sure that the cornrow you're doing is equivalent to that hair extension that you're going to add on that. And yes, I would still want to remind you about our school. Yes, our School of Beauty is open for you guys, so you can come and join us. Admission is going as in progress. You can come and book your seat for the January intake, and now I'm going to be one of the instructors who is going to teach you everything that you will need to learn. So after all this, let's try to see the extension that we're going to use when it comes to this crochet that we are going to use, because it's also very important. And if you have any question that you need to ask, you can always go right in the comment section. Tell me what you need to learn about these hairstyles, because I always feel happy whenever you ask me questions. And yes, still, when you tell me why you're watching these videos from, yes, you can tell me the country that you're in here in the description. Trust me, I'll be there to reply, and we keep on chatting. So now, as we do this, all in all, we all know that when it comes to this crochet, as we are braiding, we just have to make sure that our cornrows are aligned very well in the straight line. Yes, because when you try to not do it in the straight line, trust me, it is going to cost you something that is not good. You can see how mine are this straight, so you just have to keep them that straight. But once one is crooked, it is going to join the other one, and when it comes to the crochet, trust me, it won't be good enough, and even they might come out as soon as possible. So this is Enigma from Darling Company. Yes, and you can use 2 pieces, 2 to 3, like 3 are recommendable, but you can use 2. Let's say 3 is okay. Like I know that those ones who want these uh big things, but don't exceed the 3. At least those ones can be okay for you. So this is how we are starting, and you can see how it looks. You just have to lock it very nicely like that, and then it is just locking by in the middle. Make sure that you just bring it this side, and for all of you know how to crochet, so I'm not going to talk about more. I'm not going to say more about that. And then lastly, I want to remind those people, there is a channel that I opened, and this is going to help those ones who would want to know I would want to know styles, like what are those styles for our mothers, styles for our babies, like even hairstyles for you yourself. Like before doing a hairstyle, certain hairstyle, what do you need to be having, what you want to like, what you would need, so that you don't go in a salon when you don't have any knowledge about a certain hairstyle. So I even include those hairstyles so that when you see it and you love it, at least you already know what you're supposed to be doing. So the link is in the description. You can click on it, go and subscribe on that link, because I myself am the one talking to you. Yes, face to face talking to you. So that's how it is. Now let's try to see the remaining one. So here we're just going to style and see how this Enigma from Darling Company looks so amazing. And still, I'm going to add its website, so if you want this hair, you just go in the description and get that link. It is going to take you straight to shop this hair extension. Bye bye. May the Lord bless you all.
Got thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingi de wongo yaka. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wasa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo me, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Morris. Your crochet master. Morris. Your crochet master. Crochet master. No. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Yeah. Crochet master. Sometimes you need a little loving. Boy, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. No muko guma niche kukora. Kitakiwa crochet master. Yakuku kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, ewa crochet master. Come on. Jangu.